Hi guys. In this video I will take about amazing top 10 temperature controllers. I hope this video will help you to make the right decision. If so, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Also turn notification on to receive amazing top 10 products videos. Inkbird ITC.308 Digital Temperature Controller 2-Stage Outlet Thermostat Heating and Cooling Mode Carboy Homebrew Fermenter Greenhouse Terrarium 110 volts 10A 1100 watts Easy to use Supports CF display, dual relayable to power refrigeration and heating equipment as conditions change, dual display window displays measured temperature and set temperature at the same time, buzzer alarm high and low temperature alarms are available when the temperature is over or the sensor experiences a malfunction. Safety maximum output load 1100 watts 110 volts. Customize temperature and compressor delay, protecting your refrigeration/heating equipment. Twidec 100.B10 Digital Display PID Temperature Controllers Thermostat Regulator AC 85 volts. 265 volts My.104K Sensor Thermocouple Heat Sink and Solid State Relay SSR 25DA, Product Name Temperature Controller MV 100.B10. Product name Solid State Module Relay SSR.25 to 3.32 VDC/24.380 VAC. Product name K-Type Thermocouple Sensor DIA 6mm. Cable length 2 meters 6.6 feet. Special note: after the temperature controller is turned on, the default is degree Fahrenheit digital display PID support reading with Centigrade or Fahrenheit unit factory default to Fahrenheit unit. Be able to display measured and controller temperature display character PV4 digital 9.9mm height red LED letters SV4 digital 8mm height green LED letters. Inkbird ITC.308 Digital Temperature Controller 2-Stage Outlet Thermostat Heating and Cooling Mode Carboy Homebrew Fermenter Greenhouse Terrarium 110 volts 10A 1100 watts Easy to use Supports CF display, dual relayable to power refrigeration and heating equipment as conditions change, dual display window displays measured temperature and set temperature at the same time, buzzer alarm high and low temperature alarms are available when the temperature is over or the sensor experiences a malfunction. Inkbird PID Temperature Controller Kit, High Voltage 100 ACV to 240 ACV. Alarm output with 1 alarm relay output AC 250 V3A, resistive load on/NC. You may connect it with a buzzer, supports 3 wires sensors 3 wires sensor or 2 wires sensor, like K-Type Thermocouple and CHU 500, are supported by this PID temperature controller. SSR output with 1 relay output for external SSR. SSR or relay is a must for this temperature controller. A 40 to SSR is included. Digital display / it's a digital PID controller but also supports centigrade and Fahrenheit reading. Inkbird All-Purpose Digital Temperature Controller Fahrenheit and Centigrade Thermostat with Sensor 2 Relays ITC.1000F for Refrigerator Fermenter. 2 modes have 2 relays. Switch between cooling and heating modes. Support FC display. Setting value: control the temperature by setting the temperature set value and the difference value. Different functions: refrigerating control, output delay protection, and temperature calibrating. Alarm for safe alarm when temperature exceeds the limit or when sensor error. INKBIRDPLUS 1800 watts Heat Mat Thermostat Temperature Controller 120V15 AF and C Heating Cooling Control, plug and play. Easy to program and safe to use. Just plug the temperature controller into the socket, then select timing mode, set the start and stop temperature to control the heating or cooling equipment. Temperature control range 0.72-176/.40-120. Accuracy 1. Output max 15A/120 volts 1800 watts. Pymeter Digital Temperature Controller Dual Probe Reptile Thermostat Controlled Outlet for Terrarium Heat Mat Heating Pad. Think different, think simple. You are able to set every outlet attached to heater/fan, to turn on at a certain temp, and turn off at another temp. 2 controllers in 1 unit. 2 outlets are individually separate, each supports heating and cooling. With 2 waterproof sensors, you can set different temps to control different areas, such as with 2 heat lamps/mats for 2 zones or even for 2 tanks. Bayite AC 110 volts Fahrenheit Digital Temperature Controller 10A1 Relay with sensor, simplified design, easy to set. Support F display, 1 relay output, switch between heating mode and refrigeration mode according to the device you plug into the controller. Maximum output load 1100 watts 110 volts. Safe protection: high and low temperature alarms are available when the temperature overshoots your desired temperature. Compressor delay protection: time setting and temperature calibration. Elitech STC.1000 Temperature Controller Origin Digital 110 volt Centigrade Thermostat 2 Relays, auto converts cooling and heating modes to keep your equipments in an ideal temperature range. DIY design. Use wiring diagram, the more economical and practical choice. The temperature sensor from Shibura, Japan, temperature control range from 0.50 to 99. Accuracy 1, stable and reliable as flame retardant. ABS for plastic shell reaches up to V0 level and past EMC anti-interference test, audible and visual alarm for overtemperature and sensor failure problems. High let go 2 pieces W1209 with case 12 volts DC digital temperature controller board micro digital thermostat 0.50.110C electronic temperature temp control module switch with 10A1. Channel relay and waterproof, 100 complete machine patch, wave soldering, stable performance, good consistency, embedded CPU chip, MCU, more intelligent, lower power consumption, automatic power set memory, MCU built-in EEPROM memory unit, control accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius. Have been tested for stability, consistency and reliability. Tips. Long press set to get menu, starts at P0. Press slash. To get next P. Parameter. Press set to choose that parameter. Press slash. To select the value you want for that parameter. Press set to accept it. Long press slash. Reset to default. Power. Out does reset to default. Default temp set is 34.5 C.